Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. Your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and app clips are allowed in settings. Once those are checked, find an app clip trigger, scan a QR code, tap an NFC tag, or hit a smart banner in Safari. Tap the small app clip card that appears. This launches a lightweight part of the app instantly. You're using only the minimal functionality, so you can proceed without downloading the entire app and test the core feature quickly. Once the app clip opens, follow the focused flow to accomplish your task, pay, order, check in, or sign up, because app clips expose only the essentials for speed. Make sure to use Apple Pay or sign in with Apple when offered. They speed transactions and protect credentials. If the clip requests permissions like location or camera, allow them briefly so the feature works. You can revoke later. When done, either tap the option to open the full app if offered, or swipe up to dismiss the clip. To finish, use the app clip's completion buttons, confirm payment, save a pass, or open the full app if you want more features. If an app clip won't launch, check quick fixes. Toggle NFC and location services, then rescan the QR or tap the tag again. Make sure Safari and system updates are current. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and retry. As one troubleshooting tip, clear the app clip from Settings App Clips and relaunch. That often resolves stale data or permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.